potential profits tax liabilities arising from a trade or business carried on by Charities of Hong Kong, Part 1, narrated by JLIAACEA, 7 November 2023. It has become increasingly common for charitable institutions to carry out activities to raise funds to finance their charitable work. Depending on the circumstances of each case, such activities may amount to the carrying on of a trade or business. It is to explain the potential profits tax liabilities arising from any trade or business carried on or to be carried on by charitable institutions or trusts of a public character, charities, whilst being recognized by the Inland Revenue Department (IRD) as tax-exempt charities under Section 88 of the Inland Revenue Ordinance, Caption 112, the Ordinance. The relevant statutory provisions under Section 14(1) of the Ordinance, any person carrying on a trade, profession, or business in Hong Kong is chargeable to profits tax in respect of the assessable profits arising in or derived from Hong Kong for such trade, profession, or business, excluding profits arising from the sales of capital assets. Person is defined in Section 2(1) of the Ordinance to include a corporation, partnership, trustee, whenever incorporated or unincorporated, or a body of persons. Under Section 2(1) of the Ordinance, trade is defined to include every trade and manufacture and every adventure and concerned in the nature of trade, and business is defined to include, among other things, the letting or subletting by any corporation to any persons of any premises or portion thereof, and the subletting by any other person of any premises or a portion of any premises held by him under a lease or tenants other than from the government. The definitions of trade and business in the Ordinance are not extensive. It is well established that whenever a person is carrying on a trade or business depends on the facts of the particular case. It is essentially a question of fact and degree. A charity or the trustee of a charity that is in the form of trust falls within the definition of person for the purpose of Section 14(1) of the Ordinance. Accordingly, the carrying on of a trade or business by a charity in Hong Kong will render the charity liable to profit tax under Section 14(1) of the Ordinance, unless the charity can fulfill the conditions under the provision to Section 88 of the Ordinance.